Hey, what's going on, everybody, man? Part 2 of this whole little clothing line series, man. I'm super excited, man. You kind of see me already sweating. Took some photos and stuff for the new shorts that came in. Before we touch on all that, make sure you guys subscribe right now to the channel. Make sure you guys hit the like button and notification bell as well so you don't miss out on any of the content. And it's gonna be a good one today, man. So let's go ahead and get right into it. All right, so if you guys do not know, this started clothing brand really 2022, but it popped off in December, right? December time frame. UNKWN Collections, I'm gonna link it down below. The IG, the website, all that good stuff. My heart beating fast because I'm just super excited, man. We finally got the Rodman UNKWN shorts. Finally did touch down, man. I'll put some pictures up here we just took for these. I was supposed to do like an entire like photo shoot, but I don't know what happened. Kind of just fell through. But we got the shorts right here. In this video, I'm gonna kind of touch up on some of the products we got. The last 2 shorts that we came up, along with the sunflower joints, and another investment I made towards the clothing brand. I gotta like start calm down, you know. I'm like excited. All right, so a couple of things that we just now came up with for the brand. We got a new label printer. So I waited all the way until this came just to start, you know, packaging everything up. I was like, y'all want this release right here to be top notch. So we got the label printer, we got some actual, you know, labels for, you know, shipments and stuff like that. I think it makes it look a lot more better. Before we just had a paper, it was taping on there. I mean, it did what it did, but we want to keep improving, we want to keep getting better every time we drop something. That's why we call it collections, you know what I'm saying? Every time we drop something, only dropping out one time, it is not coming out ever again. So that's why I say you got to get the shorts now while you can, man. No collection, I got to plug myself in there. But we got a label printer, and right now I'm using Shippo. So I know it's a lot of different like shipment services, but I'm going with Shippo right now. It's very good, the prices is reasonable, and yeah, get yourself a label printer, you know what I mean? And also get yourself some boxes. So I don't have a lot of stuff to where I need a box, but just in case, you know what I mean, we got the boxes on deck. And right now we're using just some regular black bags right here to put the shorts in. Usually somebody's buying 1 or 2 things, a shirt and shorts, and they can fit both in this little black bag right here, as you guys can see. Yo, Shippo is very simple. I forget the other one we used to use back in the day. Pirate Ship. We used to use Pirate Ship. It's like all the same prices, just a different service. But Shippo is what we'll be using right now. I'm gonna link that down below for you guys that, you know, looking for somebody to use a shipping service. That's that. And the label printer we got is the ID PRT. It was around 200 bucks. Another investment to the clothing brand. I was like holding off because I didn't want to keep going in the hole, but sometimes you got to, you know what I mean? Sometimes you got to make that investment if you want to make your brand stand out that much more. So let's go ahead and show you guys the shorts. So here we have it, the UNKWN shorts right here. It's the XL, come with the sticker, comes with the UNKWN tag. That's something we didn't have for the first couple of drops. Let's go ahead and puff this out real quick. So you guys already seen these pictures and stuff. These right here, they hot right now, I'm telling y'all, flying. Like, got me happy, you know what I mean? I appreciate everybody for the support. But we got the red love shorts right here. Check them out. Get your UNKWN tag. Where'd it go? Oh, got your UNKWN tag right here. Check it out. Something new to the brand. We got the black drawstrings with these with metal tips, you feel me? It's the little things that count, man. It's the little things that make you stand out from that next brand, to make people want to come back to purchase more stuff from you. So we got the red love shorts. It says love right here. As you guys can see, kind of like a bread theme. So I can go ahead and throw these. Let me show them what I'm throwing with real quick. Hold on. We can throw them with the Carmines. Oh, come on. We can throw them with the Carmines, you feel me? That's kind of a little off. I don't know about that one. Let's see if the brands go with it. That's easy. Easy. It's too easy, man. I do this for real. It's too easy for me. Got the love bread shorts with the bread 11s. Can't go wrong with it. Shop now. Link down below, you feel me? We can throw it with the red thunders, you feel me? We got everything you need, man. So it's easy shorts to rock for the summer. And that's something that you really like. If you're out there and you're trying to look at something to start selling for the summer, definitely look into the summer shorts. Like, I'm giving y'all free game. Nobody told me this. I was like, dang, babe, what if we do some shorts, you know what I mean? Everybody rock with shorts. I just now started rocking them, and I've been coming out with some different ideas. And I feel like these right here and the black and red love shorts go super hard. So these are our 2 latest products right here, as you guys see. I already said the love breads, UNKWN Rodman shorts right here, super fuego, go crazy. And these right here, they have the white drawstrings with the silver tips right here, as you guys can see, man. Super fire. And then the last shorts we dropped, I didn't show this in the video, but we already dropped these. We got the Unknown Sunflower shorts right here. These doing all right. They doing all right. We didn't go crazy with these right here with the quantity, but we did go crazy with these right here. So they've been moving too. So it's super good. You don't want to end up running out of product. That's something I learned. So say for instance, we don't sell these out this summer, I'm probably just gonna keep them up on the site. Probably, you know, do a end of the year sale or something like that to keep people to come back like, yo, the price dropped. I want to go back and cop them now. It's more reasonable for their, you know, their budget, and they can rock it next summer, and we still gonna be out there, you feel me? We still gonna have the Unknown Collections out there on the street. And then the last two products we did, we got the Unknown Future tee in the white and the black. Something I wish I would have done was not get two colors of the same shirt. Like, I should have just stuck with one. That's just my personal opinion, because now everybody's buying the black shirt and nobody's really buying the white one. So it's like, dang, you know what I mean? So I probably should just did all black and then did a whole nother different like design for a white t-shirt to give people, you know, options, just like the Unknown shorts with the Rodman and the Unknown Love shorts. So that's something I'm gonna do from here on out. Probably not gonna do the white and black theme. Gonna do two separate designs. Let people choose what they're rocking out with more. All right, man, so we got some orders that we gotta package up. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys my little process. So we already print off all the labels. So I use big Cartel. I'm spreading gems out all around here, my bad. I know it's not an organized video, but it's like, you know, raw and cut. Give you guys some free game, you know what I'm saying? $1 million worth of game. Shout out to Wallow, you feel me? But we got Nicholas, man. Shout out to Nicholas for buying some, you know, Unknown collections for this summer. Can't wait till you rock it. Please tag us over on IG if you're watching this video. He ordered a 2XL. We haven't even organized everything. This is my pair right here. That's why I see me throwing it. We got everybody else's good to go. All right, so now we got to go through here and find this 2XL real quick. Boom, right on top. So here you have it. So we're going to have slide this in here. Watch how simple this is. Watch how simple this is right here. Slide that in there real quick. And something future that I want to do. Got some good suggestions by, you know, babe. We got to put some stickers in there, some thank you cards, some care cards, and all that good stuff. Like I said, you want to do every little thing to make your brand stand out. You know what I'm saying? You got all these big companies like PacSun, Jordan. They give you everything, you know what I mean? They give you how to handle it. They give you thank yous. They give you all types of stuff. So I'm trying to, you know, step my game up, you feel me? So, all right, so we're going to close this up real quick. These bags is tricky, so you got to be real careful with them. Watch me be real careful, you know what I mean? And close this bad boy up like that. Like so. You know what I mean? So we got that closed up, super simple. And we're gonna find Nicholas's shipping label, and that'll be it. All right, bam, so we got the shipping label. We got that sticky, we got that adhesive, man. I feel like legit, bro. Like super legit when I do this, you know what I mean? So let's put that thing up here. Put that right there real quick. Woo, we in there. We ain't gonna show the address, but y'all see it just like that, man. Man, that's really all we got for today. If you got any questions about, you know, starting clothing brand, LLC, all that good stuff, man, please drop it down below. In the next video, I'm gonna address all the questions about, you know, starting your first clothing brand. This is my second one. I failed before. I failed miserably. Don't quit. You know what I mean? I had a clothing brand about 5-6 years ago. Learn from it. You know what I'm saying? Now we here, you feel me? So we're doing good so far. Really liking the progress. We ain't done yet. Taking off all 2022, you feel me? We just getting started, you know what I'm saying? But appreciate everybody's been rocking out with me on the YouTube channel, clothing, all that good stuff is greatly appreciated. But yeah, drop your comments down below. Subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, hit that like button. And like I said, go check out Unknown Collections right now. Shop the latest drip from your boy. We got a lot more ideas coming up. Like I said, the IG and the website will be linked down below. Appreciate all the support. I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video, man. Peace.